Good morning, everyone. In today's session, we are supposed to study about MOSFET and its VI characteristics. Then we will see MOSFET as a switch and MOSFET as a amplifier. So in previous session already we have seen there are different types of a transistor. It is a bipolar junction transistor which we have studied, in which there are two types, NPN or a PNP. If we are sandwiching one P-type semiconductor in between two N-type, we are calling that as a NPN. And if we are sandwiching one N-type semiconductor in between two P-type semiconductor, we are calling that as a PNP, bipolar junction transistor. If you see their symbolic structure, what is the difference between NP and PNP? Only for NPN, there will be the outward arrow for the emitter. And for the PNP, arrow for the emitter will be inward. After that, if you see another type of a transistor, that is a FET, field effect transistor. So if you see, field effect transistor is again divided into two types. These are nothing but junction field effect transistor and metal oxide field effect transistor. They have not given this time JFET in your syllabus, but it is a type of FET. And what is the difference between JFET and MOSFET? If you see, in MOSFET, there are two types, enhancement as well as depletion. In depletion, there you will get a channel. But if you see about the JFET, there only you will get a depletion. So, if you see here, there you will get another type of transistors also like triac and the thyristor. These are also a type of transistor, but in our syllabus we are supposed to study about BJT and the MOSFET. BJT जो हम ऑलरेडी पढ़ चुके हैं, MOSFET हमने लास्ट सेशन में we have seen about the enhancement and channel MOSFET. So if you see, there are basically two types of the MOSFET. These are nothing but depletion and the enhancement. What is the difference between depletion and enhancement? If you see, in enhancement, you will not get a channel, but in the depletion, you will get the channel. So enhancement also divided into two types. These are nothing but N-channel enhancement MOSFET, P-channel enhancement MOSFET. Depletion is divided into two types, N-channel depletion MOSFET, P-channel depletion MOSFET. So here you can see the symbolic structure for N-channel depletion, P-channel depletion, N-channel enhancement, P-channel enhancement. N-channel enhancement, you can see what we are doing here. Gate, drain and source. Drain जो होता है वो ऊपर का, गेट जो मिडल वाला है, and source where we are taking there the outwards arrow in the first N channel depletion, but it is not compulsory to show arrow always like this. If it is an enhancement, you can show like this. ये जो फोर्थ टर्मिनल है जो मिडल से उन्होंने एक तरफ निकाला है, दैट इज द गेट जो चारों में कॉमन दिख रहा है, एंड अनदर दैट वी कैन से एज अ substrate, because we have already seen MOSFET can be 3-terminal or a 4-terminal device. Substrate and source we can combine together or we can keep this as a different terminal. तो यहाँ पे क्या किया है उन्होंने, दे आर शोइंग डिफरेंटली. तुम एक साथ उसको कंबाइन करके भी बता सकते हो. जो लास्ट का सोर्स है, यू कैन टेक दिस वर्टिकल लाइन अपवर्ड टूवर्ड्स द substrate. You can combine this also. So these are the symbols for N-channel depletion, P-channel depletion, N-channel enhancement, P-channel enhancement MOSFET. If you want to draw, you can draw. Otherwise, I will share the PPT in our classroom group. Okay. So now, what we are saying here, field effect transistor, but here we are supposed to see only MOSFET. JFET हमें देखना ही नहीं है. तो MOSFET क्या है? It is a 4-terminal, or we can say it is a 3-terminal. If we are taking 4-terminal, gate, source, drain, and the substrate. Substrate they are calling as a bulk because substrate है. If you see the construction diagram, you will get जो substrate का body है वो हमने कैसे लिया है higher amount में. That's why they are saying that as a bulk. You can say substrate or you can say bulk. So you can see here it is the construction of a MOSFET. Here if you see they are taking p type as a substrate, so that will be the n channel MOSFET. यदि यहाँ पे p type substrate है तो वो कौन सा MOSFET रहेगा n channel. Here we are taking after that two n type semiconductor, one as a drain, one as a source. After that if you see gate terminal we are isolating from the substrate by using a silicon dioxide layer. हम क्या कर रहे हैं गेट टर्मिनल को सबस्ट्रेट के साथ कंबाइन नहीं होना है, उसको अलग रखना है. दैट्स व्हाई वी आर कीपिंग देयर अ सिलिकॉन डाइऑक्साइड लेयर. You can see here they have given the name silicon dioxide insulator. Insulator because it will differentiate the gate and okay. So here what we are saying here, it is a 3 terminal or a 4 terminal. If it is a 3 terminal, you are supposed to keep source and substrate combined. ये जो bulk बताया है उन्हें last B to the downward, you can say as a SS मतलब substrate. So you can combine that with the source. And if it is you are supposed to take as 4 terminal, you can keep this as a different terminal. So you can see here हम symbol ऐसे भी draw कर सकते हैं. You can see these all are nothing but the MOSFET. We can draw like this. So they will ask the question 100% there you will get the question on the MOSFET. The symbol they will ask for n channel, p channel enhancement or the depletion. So you are supposed to understand. You can see again, see here what we are saying. If there you are supposed to show the depletion, you can draw directly as a 3 terminal. And if okay, and if you are taking as a enhancement, डैश ये जो कंबाइन लिया है उन्होंने, जो मिडल वाला जो लाइन है, वेयर यू आर गिविंग द टर्मिनल ड्रेन एंड सोर्स, दे आर टेकिंग डिफरेंट 3 terminals because what we are saying here in enhancement you will not get the channel. That's why they are keeping these 3 as a separate, so that will be the depletion. And if you are taking one line, one dark line, you are saying that as a depletion. And if you are keeping this separate, for the drain you are keeping separate, for the source you are keeping separate, these are nothing but your enhancement. Arrow same for n channel, both enhancement depletion outside. If it is a p channel depletion or enhancement, they are keeping that as a inside. So this is the difference between enhancement and the depletion for the symbolic structure. Now we have seen MOSFET, it is a low voltage gain device. That's why we are using MOSFET. If you see, MOSFET is a voltage control because by controlling the value of VGS and the VDS, we can control the value of drain current. So we can say MOSFET as a voltage control device. And जो हम पहले पढ़ चुके हैं ट्रांजिस्टर, that was a BJT. It is a current control. This is the basic difference between MOSFET and the BJT. They will ask the question, BJT is in bracket device. They will give the option current control, voltage control, power control, all of these. You are supposed to understand BJT is a current control and MOSFET is a voltage control. Why? Because we are controlling the value of output current by controlling the input voltage VGS. So we can say MOSFET as a voltage control device. If you see, you will get the MOSFET with higher voltage that can be up to 600 volt. but with limited current. If you see its internal resistance between drain and source, that limits the power handling capacity of a MOSFET. And high losses, especially for the high voltage devices, because of resistance. Which resistance? Internal, drain to source resistance. And if you see about the MOSFET in terms of frequency domain, you can say MOSFET is dominant in high frequency application. It means what? We can use the MOSFET where you are using the frequency that will be greater than 100 kilohertz. So these are the some MOSFET characteristics, and because of that, we are saying biggest application of MOSFET is in switched mode power supplies. So here we have seen MOSFET. It consists of three terminals. These are nothing but source, drain, and the gate. This area labeled as gate is actually, if you see, in between. So we can say it is sandwiching in between underlying substrate material, which is a single crystal of a semiconductor. And after that, we are using one insulating layer. So it will separate the gate from a substrate. After that, we have seen the semiconductor material in the source and drain. We are doping with different type of material than in the region under the gate. So here also, like a NPN or a PNP, we are doing the same things like a transistor. Because here we are taking one bulk material as a P type. At that time, we are keeping drain and source as to n type. तो सेम स्ट्रक्चर हो रहा है NPN. इफ वी आर टेकिंग n टाइप सबस्ट्रेट, तो हम वहां क्या करेंगे? टू p टाइप के सेमीकंडक्टर लेंगे एंड दैट वी कैन कॉल एज अ ड्रेन एंड सोर्स. So you will get the same structure like NPN or a PNP. What is the difference? Only वहां पे हम क्या करते थे, दो जो एन थे वी आर टेकिंग हेवीली डोप्ड एंड मॉडरेट, जो बीच का था वो मॉडरेट लेते थे. बट हियर जो बीच का है वी आर टेकिंग इन द बल्क, एंड जो रिमेनिंग दिस टू विच वी आर टेकिंग एज अ ड्रेन एंड सोर्स, they are we are supposed to keep that as a smaller size. We are keeping that as a smaller structure as compared to the substrate. So here we can say applications or some advantages of a MOSFET. Like most important device we are using in a digital circuit designs. We can use MOSFET as very good switch. Its parasitics are few. It is giving low power consumption. Means it is taking low power. And if you see, it is economical for the large complex circuits. That's why we can use MOSFET in the bulk order. If you see its manufacturing, its construction is very simple. Now you can see here N channel MOSFET. Now can anyone tell me first diagram is which and the second diagram is which? Both are the N channel MOSFET. But if you see in the first diagram, what we are doing, we are not keeping their channel in between these two, drain and source के बीच हमने वहां पे channel नहीं keep किया है. But if we are saying channel is induced in between this drain and source, that will be your depletion. And if there is no channel, we can say that as a enhancement mode N channel MOSFET. If we are supposed to study about N channel MOSFET, you are supposed to take one P type substrate. After that, you can take two N type semiconductor, one as drain and other will be as a source. After that, we are taking one terminal from the substrate, but we are keeping that isolating from the substrate by insulating layer, which silicon dioxide, and that terminal we are saying as a gate. You can combine substrate with source or you can keep these as a separate. And if there is a channel present in between two n-type semiconductors. That time you can say that as a n-channel depletion MOSFET. So you can see here the NMOS structure. If you are saying the structure, they are giving their length, width for the solving value of drain current. Because if you see, to calculate the value of drain current, what you will require? Mu n COX means you will require their capacitor का value. You will require their its thickness. For that you will require its width and the length. W by L into VGS minus VT square. So for that you will require its width and the length. They will give all the value and they will ask to calculate the value of drain current. For that you will be require that formula. So you can see here metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor we are using by making one substrate by a silicon layer. After that, we are taking its channel length and the width. We are measuring the channel length and the width. In most digital design, L is set at its minimum feature size and W we can select by designer. If you see its structure, what we are saying, जब भी हम MOSFET build कर रहे हैं, when we are making the MOSFET at that time we can select W by own, means width we can select, but at that time we are supposed to keep its length as small as possible. So here we are connecting substrate or a bulk to the ground and to prevent the forward PN junction. That's why we can use NMOS MOSFET as a switch. Because if we are keeping PN diode as a forward bias and another diode NP we keep as a reverse bias. So we can keep our MOSFET as a switch. You can see it's on state and is a off state. If switch is not closed, we can say that is the off state. So we can say MOSFET we can use as a switch. So MOSFET which is act as a switch is just like a transistor. If you see its construction diagram, you can say a typical switch we can use as a switch exactly like a transistor. We are supposed to give the input supply to the gate terminal and we will give the VDD to the drain to source terminal. And if we are using MOSFET at that time, we can say at a positive input pulse means higher input. At that time, E-MOSFET will work as a on switch, or we can say MOSFET can be used as a closed switch. You are supposed to draw this diagram as it is. जो symbol है, only this symbol. You can keep any if they are asking MOSFET as a switch. You are not supposed to take as depletion, enhancement, N channel, P channel. You can take any. If you are taking N channel, what you are supposed to do? You are supposed to give input voltage between gate and source. ये गेट को पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल कनेक्ट करोगे, बैटरी का निगेटिव कनेक्ट करोगे तुम सोर्स को. आफ्टर दैट VDD मेन पावर सप्लाई का पॉजिटिव, other power supply not which we are giving to the gate to source, we will give to the drain to source. And if you want to keep there one resistor, you can keep. After that, what you are supposed to explain, if we are giving input power supply to the VGS and VDD to the drain to source terminal at that time, at a positive high pulse, MOSFET will behave as a closed switch or MOSFET will behave as a on switch. And when you will give their negative supply, It means what? At negative pulse, MOSFET will get turned off, due to which you will not get any amount of current. That's why we can use MOSFET as a open switch. ये last में जो on state है off state you can draw and you can say yes we can use MOSFET as a switch. So we can say if we are giving low input means negative VGS, no drain current will flow. So you will get MOSFET as a open switch. Now we have seen already the MOSFET characteristics. The first is nothing but VI characteristics of device for various VGS, and the other one is at constant value of VDS, we can also see that value of drain current is a function of VGS. So the transistor being to conduct when gate voltage VGS reaches the threshold voltage. Like our VI characteristics of diode, you will get the same diagram because we are saying value of drain current will increases after threshold voltage and it is only depend on the VGS, not on the VDS. So you can see here on the first diagram when we are drawing the VI characteristics for various VGS. How you will get? You can see if we are increasing the value of VGS, the value of drain current will go to increase with respect to VDS. So we have seen all these things for the NMOS. Now you can see for the PMOS. If this class get disconnected, you all are supposed to rejoin the class again. So you can see here now the same. What will be the difference? Only जहाँ पे N था वहाँ पे P रहेगा, जहाँ पे P है वहाँ पे N रहेगा. So here now PMOS, so we are supposed to take N-type substrate and we will take drain and source as a P-type. Now we are supposed to again measure length and width of which channel. जो channel है we are supposed to measure. मतलब जो तुम्हारा drain और source है उसके बीच का length और वहाँ का पूरा width you are supposed to measure. After that what we can say, if we are giving negative power supply, because PMOS transistor has negative threshold voltage, that is from 0.3 volt minus 0.3 to minus 1.2 volt. So here if the value of VGS is less than VTP, at that time PMOS will be act as a on switch, and if VGS will be greater than VTP, PMOS will be acts as off switch. Exactly vice versa of NMOS. NMOS में क्या था? VGS का वैल्यू थ्रेशोल्ड से ज्यादा रहेगा. At that time you will get larger amount of drain current, due to which we can use NMOS as a on switch. But यहाँ पे हमको क्या चाहिए? VGS का वैल्यू negative. It means what? You will require that less than threshold voltage. So if it is less than VTP, you can say we can use PMOS as on switch, and if its value V जो VGS का वैल्यू है, if it is going to increase and it is becoming greater than VTP, at that time you will not get any amount of drain current, zero drain current, due to which we can say we can use PMOS as a off switch. So here we have seen about the PMOS structure and its working principle. Now you can see the diagram. As we are saying, we are giving negative VGS and you will get negative drain current. So your VI characteristics will be in the third quadrant. जो हमने फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में ड्रॉ किया था वैसा ही स्ट्रक्चर रहेगा, बट ओनली वहां पे VGS और ID का वैल्यू पॉजिटिव था. यहाँ पे VGS, VDS, ID जो वहां पे पॉजिटिव थे, ऑल हियर यू विल गेट नेगेटिव. दैट्स व्हाई यू विल गेट हियर डायग्राम इन द थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट. So you can see here the VI characteristics of a device are given by drain to source voltage versus drain current. You can say IDS or you can say ID, क्योंकि करंट हम सीरीज में मेजर करते हैं. तो इफ यू आर गिविंग टू नेम और यू आर गिविंग वन नेम, इट विल बी इनफ। तुम ID भी बोल सकते हो, I suffix D or I suffix DS, drain to source current. So here we can say it is the graph of VDS versus ID, and you are supposed to draw value of VDS for different value of VGS, because the value of drain current is not depend on the VDS, it is depend on the VGS. So all voltages are referenced with respect to the source voltage. Source voltage we are keeping that as a ground, हम उसको ground मतलब we are supposed to connect negative terminal of a battery to the source. That's why we can say we are supposed to keep source as a ground terminal. Now you can see here switch modes of a MOSFET. If you are supposed to use MOSFET as a switch, if VI means input voltage, that is VGS for NMOS. If you require switch on, what we are saying, you will require VDD. You will require positive. So you can say NMOS will be on. But if we are keeping VSS 0, at that time NMOS will be off. And exactly vice versa you will get for the PMOS. You can see here the diagram and think on that. What we are saying, जब हम इनपुट वोल्टेज पॉजिटिव दे रहे हैं VGS, also we are giving positive voltage drain to source मतलब VDD. ये जो VDD है हम कहाँ कनेक्ट कर रहे हैं, ड्रेन को, ड्रेन और सोर्स के बीच. So we can say that as VDD or the VDS. So if we are giving positive मतलब 1, in the binary language higher voltage 5 volt 12 volt any 24 volt you are supposed to take as 1, and negative voltage you are supposed to take as a 0. So if we are giving positive voltage, NMOS will be on. If we are giving negative voltage, NMOS will be off. Exactly vice versa. हमने अभी क्या बोला, if we are giving NMOS, you can see here PMOS के लिए हमको क्या चाहिए है, VGS लेस देन, मतलब VGS हमको कैसा चाहिए, निगेटिव. सो हियर if VGS will be negative at that time, VSS यदि तुम्हारा निगेटिव है मीन्स क्या हो जाएगा, तुम्हारा PMOS ऑन हो जाएगा. एंड इफ इट इज पॉजिटिव, PMOS will get your off. So this is we have seen as MOSFET as a switch. Now we are supposed to learn about MOSFET as a amplifier. If anyone is facing any issue, you can ask me.